lost some time. And so today we will not start something new. We will do just one more notice today. All right. And you have already done notices before, and we have also discussed. Is that right? At least respond, all of you. You know the format of a notice?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
You know
ma'am.
exactly how to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can tell me how to write a notice. Tell me the format of a notice writing. What do we write on the first line? What do we write?
Name.
Hmm?
Name.
Name of
Our school.
name of a school.
Name of
It
the organization.
okay, right. So first line center, we write the name of the organization. Then second line,
Notice.
okay, we write notice and then second line,
Ma'am, date.
Ma'am,
okay, we write date and you write the date in which format? Write the date in which format? One of you unmute your mic and tell me. You will write the date in which format? You know, there is numeric format and alphanumeric. You know the difference between the two?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, numeric.
Okay. All right. Write the date in numeric form. And then next line.
The title.
All right. So next line center, you write the title or the heading or the topic of the notice writing. All right. Okay. And then you start notice. Write the matter. And after you have written the whole content, what do you write?
Name.
Huh. Whose name?
I'm the one who is writing the notice.
Okay, so we write the name of the person who is writing the notice and we write the full name of the person because this is notice writing is formal in nature. It is formal. So we write the full name and after the name,
Ma'am, we write the designation.
all right. So we write either the class or the designation. Now, you know, in some of the notices, designation is also given, like you are the sports captain or the head boy, head girl of your school, or the secretary of school social club. So sometimes they give you a designation that as to who you are. So in case they give you a designation, then you don't have to write your class. Okay. But in case they don't give you a designation, then you will write. Is that understood, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And then, very important thing, we put the notice in a then what will happen? You will lose your marks. All right. Always put verb. And one more thing, we need to pronounce the first person and second person. Writing a notice, pronounce of we never use and use it of the second person also. Like don't use you, your and all. And pronouns of the first person like I, me, myself, us, we, they are not allowed while writing a notice. Understood?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
You're not able to hear? What about the others? Are you able to hear me or not?
No, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That means it is network issue at your
Yes,
place
ma'am.
if you're not able to hear, because the rest are able to hear me. Sit somewhere where you have in your house where you get proper network. All right. Now are you able to hear me or still not able to hear?
Ma'am, now I can.
All right. Okay. So you are supposed to not use the pronouns of first person while writing a notice, and also restrict the use of pronouns of the second person. So normally, how do you begin your notice with? One of you unmute your mic and tell me, how do you begin your notice?
This is to inform.
All right, this is to inform. That is correct. And some of you also use, I've seen while I have given you notice writing before. So some of you write like all the readers are informed, something like that also you people use, right? Yes? Class, are you able to hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So normally what you do, try to use that only. This is to inform or this is to bring to your notice. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And one more thing, students, from tomorrow onwards, I want all of you, when you join the class, to open your videos also so that I can see you. I don't want to see your uh, DPs here. Now we are having live classes and it has been informed from the school that you all have to be dressed up. It is better if you dress up in your school uniform for your classes and open your videos so that we can see you. Just like you can see me, so I should also be able to see you. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And so for today, we will do a notice and write down, take a copy, a pen or a pencil, and write down the topic of notice writing for today. And tell me when you're ready with your pencil or a pen and your copy.
Ready, ma'am.
What about the rest? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Write down. You are the secretary. Write secretary with a capital S. And the spelling is Secretary. Secretary. You are the secretary of the debate club. Secretary of the debate, debate club of your school. Full stop. The school is hosting, HOSTING. The school is hosting the 10th, TENTH, the 10th Inter school, I will be capital, S will be capital, and put a hyphen, a dash between inter school, INTER, put a small dash, SCHOOL, school, S will be capital, debate, competition. D will be again capital here, debate, 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 competition. C will be capital here, COMPETITION, competition. For classes 6th to 10, for classes 6 to 10 at the school auditorium, at the school auditorium. Spelling of auditorium, AUDITORIUM, school auditorium. Full stop. Write a notice. Write a notice. Inviting students. Write a notice. Inviting students to participate in it. Write a notice inviting students to participate in it. Full stop. Invent, 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 necessary, 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 invent, necessary details. Full stop. Put the notice in a box. Put the notice in a box. Full stop. Your word limit is 50 words. Do not exceed 50 words. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So will you be able to do this? All understood? Is there anything that you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
Will you be able to write?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is inter-school debate competition. Inter-school means students from other school also would be joining you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what that means is you have to give proper details in your school that students from the other school will also be joining in, and then the details you have to tell till which particular date. The students have to give information that they want to participate, and the date on which this event will take place. All this you have to write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Sure. So today will I get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And-
ma'am.
Okay. So I don't think so you need much time. And tell me one more thing. Is your literature work complete now? All of you, or there are some who have still not completed their work?
Ma'am,
Ma'am completed.
Tell me very honest. If your work is not
Ma'am
complete,
completed.
or there's something
completed.
left. Sure. Okay. Very nice, because